ChokliKids. A is for apple, red and sweet. Crunch it up for a tasty treat. B is for ball, we bounce and play, rolling fun all through the day. E is for cat, who says meow. She climbs the tree and jumps down now. D is for dog, he loves to run. Chasing his tail is so much fun. E is for elephant, big and gray. He swings his trunk and walks all day. F is for fish, who swims so fast. Bubbles rise as he zips past. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. He eats green leaves above the crowd. H is for hat, on my head it goes, keeping me warm when the cold wind blows. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, melts so fast in summer heat. J is for jelly, it wiggles a lot. Strawberry grape, I like it hot. V is for kite, up in the sky, flying and dancing way up high. L is for lion, king of the zoo, roar so loud and strong can you. M is for moon, shining so bright, lighting up the sky at night. N is for nest, where birdies lay eggs that hatch in a cozy way. O is for octopus, 8 arms go, dancing deep in the ocean flow. P is for penguin with a happy waddle, sliding on ice, full throttle. Q is for queen, wearing a crown, waves to the people in her royal gown. R is for rainbow, color so bright, after the rain, what a magical sight. S is for sun, so warm and round, rising up without a sound. T is for train, chugging away, toot toot, all aboard, hooray. U is for umbrella, when skies turn gray, it keeps the raindrops far away. V is for violin, singing a song, play the strings and dance along. W is for whale, big and blue, spouts up water, splash on you. X is for xylophone, tap and play, colorful notes all the way. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spin it fast, around and around. Z is for zebra, black and white, running through the fields, what a sight. Now we know our ABCs, singing with friends is such a breeze. Letters help us read and write, they make learning feel just right. So clap your hands and shout hooray, we learned our letters A to Z today. Hooray! A, B, B, C, D, E, F, G. A for apple, red and round. B for ball, we bounce so high. C for cat with soft white fur. D for dog who loves to stir. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that swims away. G for goat on mountain tall. H for hen, cluck cluck all day. I for ice cream, sweet and cold. J for jug with water hold. K for kite up in the sky. L for lion, strong and sly. M for monkey, swinging so high. N for nest, where little birds play. O for orange, juicy and round. P for panda, cute and sound. for train that runs away. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van down the lane. W for watch ticking away. X for xylophone, music and glee. Y for yak with fluffy hair. Z for zebra, stripes so fair.